So, mag-unbox tayo ng aking in-order sa Lovisa. Sale sila nung last week at yung last week. So, dumating na guys ang ating Lovisa accessories. Short story today. Nagpabaksin kami kay Logan. So, he got 4 shots. 2 in the shoulder and 2 in the legs. Bumili na din kami ng Pinadol for just in case na magkalagnat siya. Kasi bukas, alis si Gab, punta nang mag-work siya. So, ayan. Wala siya dito. So, ayan. Ito yung ating Lovisa. So, ito guys. Itong earrings, ayan. Ay! Ano ba ito naputol? Itong earrings na to, this earrings is from Temu. So, hindi to siya, walang value to. Just for the fashion only. Gold na style na kanya. Display of the price is $30, $25, and nagiging $5 na lang. So, ito yung first is yeah, there's a price behind this. $11, nagiging $5 na lang siya. So, not bad. So, the next is necklace from, again, $11, nagiging, I think, $3. So, yan, nagiging $3 na lang siya. So, may price. Ito yun, guys. $28, nagiging $5 lang siya. 7 ang nilagay, pero $5 itong in-order ko. And then, ito guys, so, ang cute nito. Super. Heart siya. From $10 ay nagiging, I don't know if this, $5 din ata to. I have these earrings, infinity earrings. So, may necklace na ako. And then this one, get ito for my daughter. This one guys, for my daughter, from $11, nagiging $3 na lang siya. Ayun, ang cute! Ito yung mga oso ngayon na, ano guys, na kwintas. Ayan. $11, nagiging $5 na lang siya. It's my first time kong nag-order ng napakarami from Lovisa. And then, this is so cool. Lagyan natin dito. Nice. The last one. My favorite thing, the cruise. So, I get 3 pairs of earrings and then 5 pairs of necklace. So, mostly necklace siya. $11. I like this kasi ano siya, frozen. Nice yung kanyang chin. Wow! Ayan, ang ganda nito guys. So, ayan lang yung ating in-order from Lovisa. On sale kasi sila from Friday. That's Friday, Black Friday. So, lahat on sale. Not lahat, but may mga original prices. But I see, yung mga gusto-gusto ko talaga ng mga accessories ay nandito siya. Ay, nakuha ko. So, ayan lang ang ating kuha for today. So, ayan lang guys. Lovisa parcel today. Thank you!